Hello, this is Nanjing Bohang Electronic Company Limited. These tools are all for install EAS systems. This one is a wire board for giving power to EAS Gate and other electrical machine. This one is an electric portable drill for drill on wooden floor. And this one is cutting machine for cut wooden floor. And this one, this time we do not need. This time we do not need, because this is also a special drill only for the ceramic floor. This one is a ruler. This one is the wire stripper. And this one is spanner for loose or tight plug nut. And this one is cross screwdriver for loose screw on EAS bolt. And this one is a small straight screwdriver. It's called to adjust the EAS systems. This is a normal mark for remarks on floor, and this one is installation tabs for wrap on electric wires, and the last one is hammer. This is total.